The new Apple Watch Series 4. Let's go. So, different box this year. Not quite sure how it like that. And then, ooh, that's nice. So it just kind of unfolds and you see this nice design on the sides, and then you have your watch box and then your watch box and then your band box. Now hopefully in the future you can select what band you want and they'll ship it with the watch, so you don't have to just get a band that you won't wear or you don't want. So this is the design. That's pretty cool. This over here. So this is the watch box, and I'm gonna go ahead and open it. And you have your watch in a sleeve here, and then you have your instruction manual here. And yeah, charger and brick. So it comes in this little tiny pouch here, which is nice. It's like people are calling it the watch sock. How do you even get it out? Oh, you just push. Now that's nice, wow. Comparing it to my Series 3. So yeah, that is the Apple Watch Series 4.